Hey all, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another organization video, and we are going to tackle my refrigerator, which has been requested for quite a while and I haven't been able to post it, so today we'll do it. Okay, so we have a very basic model of higher refrigerator, and it is a 278 liter fridge, which is a 2015 model. Okay, so some pros and cons of this fridge are, some pros are that number one, it is very good for that price. So it is, I think, for 25,000 in the market, and we got it for some 22,000 or so when it was on discount. So yeah, I think you can see the size of the fridge. It's quite big for that price, so that is a very big plus point. Second thing is, it doesn't take too much space in your home, like in your, like, because in our these days average homes we have space constraint, and I think this fridge is best for that. Okay, so third point is, it has all the basic feature you can expect from a fridge. Okay, some of the cons here are, number one, it may be small for a larger family. It works for me. I think it's quite good for a family of 4 to 5, but then if you're someone who's like to store a lot of leftovers, or you cook in bulk, then this may not be for you. I cook every day, or like most days I cook, so I don't really have too much of leftovers, but yes, some days when I have, then yeah, I have space problem again. Okay, the second thing is, it doesn't have too much of freezer storage space. So we are non-vegetarians and we like to eat a lot of meat, and that then it becomes a problem to store the meat because it doesn't have too much of space. So that is another con. And the third thing is, it doesn't have a ice dispenser, which I really fancy. I want to have a big fridge with ice dispenser and this thing, cold water whenever I want, and I don't have to like store anything like a jug or anything. I like, it'll come out directly. So that is the third con. I think rest everything is okay with the fridge, so let's begin with the video. First thing I had to do was start with the cleaning and decluttering the fridge. I decided to start with my freezer first because I thought it was the messiest. I'm using a solution of half vinegar and half water to clean the insides of the fridge. Now I'm going to check on the expired products and see what I need to keep and what I needed to throw. I also store bananas in this way. It works for me because my bananas always tend to get rotten so fast and gets wasted. So in this way I can use them in my smoothies or wherever I want to. This tray is for storing ice creams. So we had ice creams here which was so old and expired. Somewhere even empty boxes, imagine. All thanks to my husband and my brother. Yeah, I forgot to put this ice pack inside, so I had to take everything out and redo it again. Okay, I rearranged my freezer because I wasn't happy with how it looked. I got all these freezer boxes from Amazon and also these blackboard stickers to label the things. So I'm also refilling all the ice trays with fresh water. One thing I love about this fridge is that it has this manual ice dispenser, which I find really convenient. Now let's begin with the fridge section. So I'll start with taking everything out, then cleaning. This egg crate accommodates 32 eggs, and since it's transparent, it gives a nice look too. I got this can organizer from Amazon and I love it. I think it makes the fridge look so organized. This basket is also from Amazon. I'm using it to arrange the curd and yogurt so that it's easy to access whenever I need it. Also, I got this Lazy Susan from Amazon. I find this thing so convenient to have in the fridge for any bottled products. It makes everything handy and easy to grab. These baskets are from Amazon too. I'm using this to store all my veggies. It has a removable divider to adjust it accordingly. Then I also got this airtight storage boxes, especially made for fridge storage from Amazon. I'm using it here to organize peas, garlic, cherry tomatoes and ginger. And I'm using these bigger ones for storing spring onions and coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to organize the shelves on the door. By the way, I already cleaned it. So I'm keeping things which we use on a regular basis here for easy access. I have used this container for storing cheese cubes, slices and sticks. I have kept it in this shelf for Kaya to easily get it when she wants. On the third shelf, I have kept some juices, milk, vinegar and lemon juice. Here's how it has turned out. This is so satisfying, I can't even tell you. This is the vegetable storage section, and look at this now. This not only reminds me to eat all the veggies and nothing gets wasted since it's clearly visible. In this top shelf, in this basket, I have kept bread, butter, jaggery, basically random stuff that don't have a dedicated place for. In the next storage box, I have kept all our fruits. And in the below shelf on the left hand side, I have dedicated the entire corner to leftovers. Here's how the freezer looks now. Everything has a place and looks so much better than it was. We have been using this fridge for the past 4 years, but I have never got to organize it. I don't know why. I know no excuses, but yeah, it's something we use every day and it makes me so happy now whenever I open it. Okay, so that's all for the video. Hope you like it, and I really hope I could motivate you to organize your home too. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos so that I know what kind of videos you like watching from me. So thanks for watching. Bye.